a beautiful day today. Let's enjoy the weather. Let's have a good time today, all right? All right, thank you guys. Appreciate it. See you all out there.
What's up, it's your boy Rooster. I recently attended Blacksite 3, kind of a Milsim event hosted by American Milsim. The location was a secluded area far away from the civilian population known as Fort McClellan. Originally known as Camp McClellan, it's a decommissioned U.S. Army base located adjacent to the city of Anniston, Alabama. During World War II, it was one of the largest U.S. Army bases, training an estimated 500,000 soldiers. It was home to many other corps and schools before finally closing in 1999. The area offered a vast array of fighting locations and objectives, and the players all commented on their excitedness to play here. Disguised as a UN war correspondent, I embedded myself with the good guys team known as the United Federal States. I made sure to document as much as possible without getting hit or in the way of the actual players. The UFS were attempting to find and secure a set of servers which were known to be in the immediate area. Eventually the UFS members either got taken out or retreated into the upper levels of the compound, and I was separated from them completely. Taking advantage of my situation, I decided to capture some photos of the Civilian Defense Force as they assaulted the compound currently held by the UFS. After quite a successful assault on the compound executed by the Civilian Defense Force, we decided to go back to their assembly area and have some lunch. I took advantage of that time again to take some more photos and really get to know some of the guys. I made a couple of new comrades, and I really enjoyed myself hanging out with the green team because everyone knows the green team is the best team. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. Rooster out.
Who shot first? What? Who shot first? Who shot first? We were moving back.
Yeah, all I seen was a whole team fucking running back here, and then they were all putting guns up on the roof.
Sorry, we're just gonna be here for a minute then, so
Oh boy. My shit still going? Wasn't it?
Let go for a while? Yeah.
Oh, come on.
It's my, I think mine's beeping. What's mine saying? Yeah, it's good.
Dude, what does mine say? Sweet.
Guys over there, you should go there.
Hey, I got a room here, I need help. Hey, that's second floor high right there. Story right there. That's team. Is that not team? That's team.
Tan, left, behind, back. Hey, they're right above us. They're right above us. All right, above us. Right above us.
Shit, bro.
Where's Cameron? Stairs, cut up.
Camera, push up the stairs. Watch the butler. Yeah, watch the window. Hey, we got friendlies right here.
Yeah, friendlies are in this building. Just this building. Go. Go, 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 go. I saw one barrel your gun. I didn't know if you were
Other side of the wall.
Yeah.
There's the smoke.
Hey!
Yeah, you got contact on the floor if you want to help. Wait, contact where? Right down here. Oh, shit. Yeah, down that right. Let's go more. Right there. Any eyes on where? No. Crossing. I found you. Hey, Max. Welcome back.
Is there someone, are they there?
Yeah, down this way. We can go around.
That's clear, we are clear.
You got a frag. Yeah, where you need it. Do we have a bag? Door right here on the right. No, if there was someone in there, you would have been shot already. They may be hiding. Can you get down there? Where? All the way down? That door, yeah. That door? Hey, do we have a bag? We need a bag. Yeah. Stuck. He's telling you down there. Stuck. Go off his word. Stocks, where are you at? Hey, blue flag. Yo. You a medic? Yeah. Stocks. Who needs one? Oh, right there, coming down me. How far down? Medic! Clear. You're welcome. There was a dude there, but. I'm walking out, don't shoot me. Hey, do we have a medic? Yeah. In here, in this room, in this room. Right here, no, come on. Right here. Yeah, no business at home. They were two squirted up there. Hey, Shay! Shay, I'm in. You have a dead right on your head. Stay in contact on the hallway. We'll split it. All right, we'll walk down the side. Watch that door on the left. Okay. Go, let's go, let's go. Push it. Right here with you. Right here. Medic! No, it's okay. I'll put one in. Hey, sit down. Sit.
How deep is the room in? Pretty deep? Yeah, they're deep. Is everybody else up? Is there a dead guy here still?
Got one down. Hey, watch the window! He has window and he's double doors.
Yeah, one's an arms room, the other one's the actual room. Yeah.
You in, coming through, you in. You in. I wish I could, brother. Are they taking care of you? No. Are they torturing you? Oh my God. I think they think there's a room full of people in here.
I'm just out in the window real quick. I'll shoot. I'll see you.
Oh man, I need my IR light. Fuck. You made it just in time. You in, you in, you in. Don't shoot, don't shoot. Hey, good. I expect it.
You might be able to pop that now. They're fighting us.
Oh, we already did. Clear. Hey, that man coming out.
Come on, come on.
Have you been in one of those rooms?
It's too bright. God damn, we had a whole squad out here. Go, 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 go. Gotta go. Watch out, bud. Got one. Stay tight, stay tight, stay tight. Go, go.
Does I need a grenade through the window? I've got a grenade.
I got no visual on the room to the left.
Watch to the right.
What's up? Hey, medic! Medic!
Okay, you need to be
Medic!
You need to look out.
Medic!
Who needs a medic? I'll drop you out.
And I got up. Hey, get the empty room.
Room's empty, boys. Room's empty.
We got them all. They're good.
I kind of wanted to tell you guys that, but it was funny watching you try to assault it.
Going in or Vinny's coming out?
When the dead man came out, I knew he was done, but I was like, let's see what happens. Yeah. Just like your dream come true, right? You all full of dudes? Yeah. We're going to the circle jerk. Who's got the lube?
Morgan, they just got here to look. Yeah! Let's go! Round two? I gotta go.
No, not round two. I'll put a fucking water bottle in there.
Oh man, I wouldn't trust it.
I wouldn't trust it either, but I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit.
Hey, don't fuck with that water bottle. If you do, piss in it.
All of a sudden, you see the water bottle come out like exhaust.
Right. Here you go, bro. I got you.
Hopefully he didn't bring my water bottle. Who knows?